Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of online recruiting? In today's rapidly evolving job market, the role of a recruiter has transformed dramatically. No longer are we confined to traditional offices and cold calls. The internet has opened up a vast landscape of opportunities, giving rise to the online recruiter, a professional who leverages digital tools and platforms to connect talent with opportunity, often from anywhere in the world. This flexibility and reach make it an attractive career path for those looking to blend their passion for people with the power of technology. But what exactly does it take to embark on this journey? Let's explore the foundational elements you'll need to cultivate to truly excel as an online recruiter. A unique blend of skills is essential. First and foremost, you need to be an exceptional communicator, capable of building rapport and trust with candidates and clients across various digital channels, be it email, video calls, or instant messaging. Strong research skills are paramount. You'll be constantly sifting through countless profiles and job descriptions to find the perfect match. A keen eye for detail is crucial for identifying key qualifications and red flags. Beyond that, adaptability is key. The digital landscape is constantly changing, so staying updated on new tools, platforms, and recruitment strategies is non-negotiable. Finally, a solid understanding of different industries and their specific hiring needs will give you a significant edge. So, how do you actually get started? The good news is there are multiple avenues. Many successful online recruiters begin by gaining experience in traditional HR or recruitment roles, understanding the fundamentals before transitioning to a fully online model. Others jump straight in, often by freelancing or building their own independent online recruitment business. Consider taking online courses or certifications in digital recruitment, talent acquisition, or even specific applicant tracking systems, ATS, and CRM tools. Networking is also incredibly powerful. Join online communities, attend virtual conferences, and connect with other recruiters on platforms like LinkedIn. Building a strong professional network will not only provide you with valuable insights, but also potential leads and collaborations. The online world offers a wealth of platforms that will become your daily tools. LinkedIn is undoubtedly a cornerstone for professional networking and sourcing. Beyond that, you'll be utilizing various job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, and specialized in niche platforms depending on the industries you focus on. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, like Workday, Greenhouse, or Lever, are essential for managing applications and workflows efficiently. Communication tools such as Zoom, Google Meet, and even Slack will facilitate seamless interactions with candidates and clients. Don't forget the power of social media. Beyond LinkedIn, platforms like Twitter and even Facebook can be surprisingly effective for passive candidate sourcing and building your personal brand as a recruiter. Mastering these tools will be instrumental in streamlining your processes and maximizing your reach. In conclusion, becoming an online recruiter is a dynamic and rewarding career choice that offers immense flexibility and impact. By honing your communication and research skills, embracing continuous learning, leveraging powerful digital platforms, and strategically building your network, you can carve out a successful and fulfilling career in this ever-evolving field. The demand for skilled online recruiters is only growing, so now is an excellent time to embark on this exciting journey and help connect the world's talent with its greatest opportunities.